How to earn money from YouTube. You know how videos make a lot of creators on this? So why is Make Money Matt so successful? Why did Matt Parr get 20,000 subscribers in just 2 months and 5 lakh subscribers in just 1 year? On a surface level, it might seem luck, but after studying Matt Parr channel, I found out that Matt Parr has a 4-step formula which he uses in 90% of his videos. And this 4-step is so important that you can bet that Matt Parr would never have cronied without it. So if you want the same success on your channel, then watch this video till the end. Starting with step 1, eye-catchy thumbnail. If you go to Matt Parr channel, you will see that 99% of his thumbnails use high contrast glow and light colors. But why? Is glow and light colors Matt Parr favorite color? Of course not. The reason behind this is simply to reduce decision time. In simple words, Matt Parr audience is used to seeing glowing thumbnails. That means you clicked a thumbnail for the first time. You got to see a good video because of that. So the next time YouTube recommends you another thumbnail-like video, your decision time will be reduced and you'll click on that video. And this cycle keeps on repeating. But how do we apply this advice to our channel? Should we also start putting up glow and light colors thumbnails? Absolutely not. This will reduce the chances of your channel's views increasing, because glow and light colors thumbnail style has become a brand like Matt Parr, and people will think that you are copying Matt Parr. All you have to do is maintain consistency in your channel's thumbnails, like decide a color scheme and a font that you will use in every thumbnail. Color is not that important, but same font in all the thumbnails is crucial. This will make the viewers understand that it is your video, which means reduced decision time. Even if your thumbnails are not like Matt Parr, you can still apply this advice. Like, look at this example of Mr. Beast. All the thumbnails of his videos are so consistent. By the way, another reason why Matt Parr uses red color is color psychology. Okay, this is about thumbnails, but if people leave the video in the beginning, then the audience retention will be reduced, right? Which brings me to step number 2, creating intros with a need. So if you're a YouTuber, you must be aware that in the first 30 seconds of the video, it's very important to grab the viewer attention. And where most YouTubers start their videos with a fancy intro or "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel," Matt Parr uses the first 30 seconds of the video like a mastermind. In short, Matt Parr creates a sense of need or an important question in the viewer's mind with the help of his intros. And then he guarantees his viewers that if they watch the video till the end, they will get the answer to that question. Okay, we hooked the views in the intro, but what about the rest of the video? Here's step number 3, building the hype. To understand this step, we have to watch this video of Algo for 12 seconds. Let's see.
YouTube channel step by step in 2024 with all of the latest optimization techniques to make sure that your channel is optimized to get as many views as you possibly can, including a lot of the key optimization features that most people miss. And by the way, congratulations if you're starting a channel on YouTube, because it is the best place on the internet to start and grow an online business.
So if you noticed, Matt Parr said that he is going to give us 4 tips. And out of those, his favorite is tip number 4. The reason why Matt Parr told tip number 4 his favorite is because tip number 4 comes at the end of the video. This means that if you want to know Matt Parr's favorite tip, you have to watch the video till the end. And that's how Matt Parr makes sure you watch till the end. This trick is called end reward or payoff, and Matt Parr has literally used it in 85–90% of his videos. In fact, if you noticed, I have also used this trick in the intro of this video. So now finally we come to step number 4, without which Matt Parr could never grow, and that is genuine content. I remember when Matt Parr wasn't on YouTube, then in the niche of how to grow on YouTube, there was probably some creator who actually gave good and practical advice. Whoever you see, everyone used to say, increase watch time, increase CTR, increase audience retention by 60%. But no one used to tell you how to do it. When I came to Matt Parr, I was really happy that finally there is a YouTuber who is talking about work, and not just me. The whole Matt Parr community agrees with this. I think Matt Parr was the first YouTuber in United States who talked about lesser-known topics like ECTR, session time, color font psychology in thumbnails, and right editing style. If Matt Parr wanted, he could have made the title and thumbnail of his videos clickbaity, like get 4,000 watch hours in 7 days and stuff like that. But he didn't do that. Even if he gets less views, he is building a community of viewers that trust him, and at the end of the day, that is what matters.